What is happening? Jonathan Dunkerley here, and today we are going to reply to one of our comments. I recently made a video about how to go live on YouTube in 2026, and Jesse Barraza, sorry if I butchered that, they asked, can you make a video on how to go live on mobile? All right, so today we are going to go over exactly how to go live on YouTube on mobile. And before we get started, if you wouldn't mind just smashing that like button, hitting subscribe and ringing the bell, it does help tell the algorithm to share these videos with more people like you. All right, let's dive in. So if you wanted to stream from your computer, then you would just come up here, either on the actual YouTube site or studio.youtube.com and click create. You would click on go live. From here, you can go ahead and grab your stream key and your stream URL, or you can go live directly on the tab from a Chrome browser. But what if you want to go live from a mobile device? So first you are going to go to YouTube Studio, come over to settings, click on channel, and come over to feature eligibility. You are going to need to enable at least the first two, standard and intermediate, in order to be able to go live. You get these features when you do standard, and when you do intermediate, you get custom thumbnails, live streaming, and videos longer than 15 minutes. Once you have this, you will be able to go live either on desktop or on mobile. And if you're trying to do this for the future, you might as well do the advanced features. It gives you a whole bunch of features that you want if you are actually trying to grow a YouTube channel. So I would do all three, but you need at least the second one in order to live stream. Now, if you're going to go live from a YouTube channel that you already have everything ready to go, you already have subscribers, it's going to be very, very simple. All you do is you click the little plus button from your YouTube app that you've downloaded to your mobile device, hit the plus. It would typically show the camera right here, but I am recording this on my computer right now, so it's not showing it. Then we would come over to live. We could double check our settings right here. If we want it to be public, not for kids, add a description, if you're at a particular location, or if you're scheduling this for later. You will also want to pick your aspect ratio. You could stream in either 16:9 or 9:16. Just flip it this way, stream vertically, stream horizontally, then go to next, double check those settings. And when you hit the next tab, you will be live. And it really is that easy to go live from your mobile device. But there's a few things that you need in addition. You need to have 50 subscribers, as well as verifying those other eligibilities. For instance, I started this personal account where I just am posting personal videos on here, and I only have a couple subscribers on there. So if I hit plus right now, and I wanted to go live, we would get this notification that says almost there. Try creating more shorts to create 50 subscribers and unlock live streaming. So in a nutshell, in order to go live on YouTube on your mobile device, you will need to verify your standard features, your intermediate features, and have at least 50 subscribers. Once you do, it is as simple as just coming to the plus in the mobile app, making sure that you have toggled over to the live tab, verify your settings. You can see your scheduled lives up here in the top right corner. Hit next, decide if this is for kids or not, and go live. So there you have it, Jesse. That is how you go live on YouTube from a mobile device. I hope that was helpful. If you want to see other ways that I am making passive income with AI, make sure you go to aiprofitchecklist.com. If you have any other requests for videos to make sure that you drop those in the comments. Again, my name is Jonathan Dunkerley. Keep creating, keep earning passive income, and I will see you in the next video.